Okay, this kitchen is going to be a challenge. And this right here, oh my God. This is the part that I hate. And I'm hoping that I can do this without gagging because it's disgusting. I'm going to give you a close up. Look at this. That is so foul. That's mold. There's mold and disgusting stuff. And God knows what's underneath there. And look at this. Oh my God. What am I going to do? Well, I know exactly what I'm going to do. All right. So here we go. I'm going to start with this kitchen. Definitely gloves. So here's the thing. That sink right there, which I'm going to need to clean that nastiness, has something disgusting in the drain that I have to get out so that the water will drain out. And like, look at this. Look at this foul thing. I think I'm going to just throw this away. Oh, Lord have mercy. So, wish me luck. If you see me gag, go ahead and laugh. I don't care. But have sympathy for me. So here we go. All right, this is it. This is it. Let me get some. These napkins. What is this disgustingness? Okay, so at least the water will go down now. I don't know what that was. I'm not even going to show you guys because it's so foul. I can't do that to you. I'm sorry. And I felt it a little bit, but I got through it. I don't know if you could tell or not, but it was pretty gross. Okay. The dark stuff that's in the bottom of this refrigerator is hard as a rock. And thankfully it's soy sauce so it doesn't smell too bad, because if it was spoiled milk or something like that, I really would be gagging, but I can handle the smell of soy sauce. So what I've done is I wet some rags and I put it on there to help soften it up. Same thing in the two drawers. Apparently a bottle of soy sauce must have somehow spilled all over the inside of this place, and it's hard as a rock. So I'm gonna let that soak to soften up, and this nasty moldy spot on here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm gonna put some wet rags on there. It looks like there's some other sticky stuff in there, and just let it soak for a while, and then I will come back to this. In the meantime, there's plenty of other things that can be cleaned, and so I've gotten all the gunk off of the stove, but it's not shiny. So I'll shine this up and work my way around on the counters this way and do some of the cabinets. But I hate cleaning refrigerators. I hate it. I hate it. Okay, so here's where I'm at right now with this kitchen. Everything's pretty much taken care of. I put the stove back together. Most of the refrigerator is done, but that spot down in the bottom is still hard. Like even with my steel wool, excuse me, I'm not breaking it up. So what I'm gonna do is, I got the inside of the refrigerator, the drawers and whatnot sitting over here. They're fine. And the grates for the top of the stove are in the sink, kind of drip drying right now. I'm gonna let that sit for a while longer and let the water and whatnot do its thing. And I'm gonna start working on these nasty floors. So I will be back in a little bit and we'll finish up this refrigerator and put it together. And by then I should be almost done with this house. I'll give you a kitchen overview and then I'll give you a whole house overview, and you won't believe that I actually got all this done by myself. And I only gagged once or twice, I think. Oh my gosh, I did it. It's not perfect because this was left probably since the day she moved. I don't know, I shouldn't be judgmental, I suppose, but all of that soy sauce is out of there.